Hey everybody, today we're going to do a New Year's Eve styling demo using a oil-based product for a more formal look. That product is going to be Midwest Monsters. This is by Lockharts and the Classics. This is an oil-based product, which is something that they used back in the day, and it's going to give you the closest final look to what you would get, back in those classic formal New Year's Eve style of parties. Alright, so let's open the jar up. This is what it looks like. Let's wet the hair a little bit. We're going to be using 3 combs today. A detangler comb and then 2 steel combs. So this is the detangler. This is just a carbon fiber, and then we're going to use 2 of these right here. So this one's a little stickier and this one's slicker. All right, so let's take a scoop of this stuff out. This is what it looks like. This is kind of the texture of it. Got a band-aid on my thumb, so it's going to be a little annoying getting that through the hair, but really annoying paper cut. Okay, so you want to emulsify this so it's basically invisible. Not totally, it's black, so it's not going to be totally invisible. Then I just distribute it like this. Kind of want to get a nice coating. Okay, and then the first comb I use is the detangler. In case I have any knots, it'll get those out much easier. Okay, next one is this black one. It's got the electroplated coating on there, so it's not as good at detangling as the detangler comb is, but it's better than any other comb you're gonna get with teeth this size and this width from each other. So this is going to give us this is going to do most of the work. There's going to be a little bit left for that regular steel comb to kind of get the details done. Okay, now we have the sides here. So we're going to use this comb for these sides. It's going to just help get everything down and stuff in the back. So I need a little more water in the back. Don't want to lose that line. Okay. So from here, you can kind of do a lot. You can keep it rather slick and close to your head. Or you could start adding some volume. So I'm still gonna stick with this so I can pull the front up. And what I like to do is I sort of like to, instead of going straight, I sort of angle it like this. And that really helps build up some volume. I need a little more product in the back, just a tiny bit. I'm just gonna scrape a little bit off the top there. And I'm just gonna kind of add it to the tips. This oil-based product is pretty hard to wash out of your hair, but it's pretty resistant to sweat and stuff like that. So if you're going out and you're dancing and stuff and you're getting all hot and sweaty, it's a really good product. Just one little hair there. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's make sure. Sorry, out of frame a little bit. All right. Always in this corner here. So I tend to forget to take care of that. Okay. All right, so for the formal look, I think we're pretty much done here. Let's see, so got the front, that side, and hopefully the back's looking good. Okay, now if you do have this base foundation here, you can take your detangler comb and get wider comb lines. Sort of move pretty slow, and this will just add a little more texture. And then of course, just take your fingers, you can add a little bit, sort of mess it up a little bit so it's like a clean slash messy little texture, just to add some randomness to make it look like you didn't try so hard. So that's just an option, you know. You want to go for that really slick look, that's awesome. A little more casualness, yeah, that's great too. So hope you guys enjoyed this demo.